So today we're going to be talking about arithmetic sequences for second to probably third graders. Okay, so we have a diagram right here. It shows us that we have, and you can look at these boxes down here, we have figure 1, which is one box, figure 2, which is 2 boxes, and figure 3, which is 3 boxes. So, if you look at this chart, number 1 represents figure 1, number 2 represents figure 2, number 3 represents figure 3. For figure 1, it says we have, this is labeled as number of lines. So for figure 1, we will have 4 lines. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. For figure 2, we will have 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In figure 3, we will have 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, if you notice, each time the number of lines compared to the figure, or correlated with the figure, will go up 3 times when you go to the next figure. So you can add 4 plus 3 equals 7, right? And then 7 plus 3 would equal 10. So to get the fourth figure, the number of lines in the fourth figure, you could add 3, right? That would give us 13 lines. However, there is also a formula for this that would help us a lot if we needed to find maybe the 10th term or the 100th term. So the nth term of this figure would be 3 n plus 1. And that would be because the 3 would represent how many times the number of lines goes up related to the figure number. So that's what the 3 is. The n would be the figure. So 1 could go in place of the n, or 2 could go in place of the n, or 3 or 4, depending on how many figures you have or you want to do an equation for. So, and you would also add 1 because say you have figure 1, 3 times 1, well there's not 4 lines, so you have to add 1 more, plus 1. 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7 lines. 3 times 3 equals 9, plus 1 equals 10 lines. And that is the nth term equation. Now, we're going to use this formula to find the 5th figure, the 5th term. So, 5 times, 3, right? Shows us 3 times 5, which is the nth term, plus 1 equals 15, 16. There are 16 number of lines in figure 5. Now, let's try to find the 10th term. 3 times 10, 10 represents the n, remember, plus 1 equals 31. So in figure 10, there would be 31. And you could use this to find as many terms as you need, as far as this pattern would go. So that is how you figure out arithmetic sequences and find out the nth term and the equation.